Increased demand for renewal causes a huge backlog for passports. Good day, lovely people. I greet you with affection. I wish you a fantastic day. Let's begin with today's blog. Thousands of USA residents are finding themselves in an unexpected holding pattern, as a significant surge in demand for passport renewals is causing a substantial backlog. In recent times, a new norm has emerged, with an astounding 500,000 passport applications being submitted every week, according to U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken. This marks an impressive 40% increase over last year's numbers, leading to longer waiting periods for hopeful travelers. This influx of applications is not without its reasons. A considerable number of individuals let their passports lapse in recent times, only to find a sudden resurgence of their desire to venture beyond national borders. This wave of renewal requests is currently taxing the system, causing an unprecedented delay. The situation has grown so intense that it has prompted a bipartisan call for help. Congresswoman Nikema Williams of Georgia's 5th District, in collaboration with more than a dozen Democrats and Republicans, penned a letter seeking assistance. It seems their offices of constituent services are being overwhelmed by the volume of these requests, hinting at the depth of the issue at hand. This situation underscores the challenges we face as a society in maintaining fluidity in our systems amidst fluctuating demand. While efforts are being made to expedite the process and reduce the backlog, many are learning that the road to their next adventure may be longer than anticipated. If you're hoping to venture abroad soon, it may be wise to initiate your renewal process earlier than usual, considering the current circumstances. Patience, perseverance, and foresight are key during these times. As we continue to adjust and adapt to these circumstances, it is crucial to remember that the spirit of adventure is alive and well, even if its course may currently be slightly delayed. The thrill of exploration awaits us, but it may require a bit more paperwork and patience than we'd hoped for. As with any journey, remember, it's about the voyage, not just the destination. I'm not an expert, I'm simply documenting and memorializing my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently,